Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from History of Science group and we want a presentation about the volcanoes. And the materials you need is 1 bottle of water,
liquid detergent,
1 sachet of liquid detergent, baking soda,
1/2 of citron,
and the bowl and the mounting. Okay, first, wait. Pour half water of a bottle of water ya gitu. Okay, done. After that, put in, wait, want to cut it. And put in 1 sachet of liquid detergent. Okay, done. Put in a half sachet of citron. And the last, put in baking soda. Okay, and that's the volcanoes. It's like a toothpaste.